You've written on papers of all different colors. Sometimes you've made decorations using paper. Ever wondered where paper comes from? Believe it or not, paper is made from trees. Wood and grass are collected and pressed into a soft, mushy substance called pulp. This pulp is then pressed into sheets of paper. Dyes are added to make different colors. Pine trees, eucalyptus, and aspen are common trees from which pulp is obtained. To give paper added qualities like firmness, strength, shine, or water resistance, different chemicals are also added. So next time you write on a paper, now you know where it comes from. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.